Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for a Notion account. To sign up for Notion, first of all, download the Notion app on your device and launch it open. In the welcome screen, go ahead and choose one of the login or sign up options. I'm just going to choose continue with email. Now, it'll prompt you to enter an organization email. Go ahead and enter an email address you have access to and click on continue. You will then need to verify your email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox. You can open it up in a web browser or on your email app. After you do that, you will receive an email from Notion team. A code will be sent to you. Simply go ahead and enter this code inside your Notion app, or you can also sign in with Magic Link. I'm just going to type in this code in my app, so go ahead and paste in the code or enter it in the respective text box and click on continue. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications, enter your name, upload a profile picture for yourself, and set a password on the next page. While creating a password, make sure to create a strong one, which is difficult for others to guess but easier for you to remember. Finally, click on next. Now select how would you want to use Notion. It might be for your personal life, work, or school. I'm just going to select for work and next. Now choose how you want to use the Notion. Either it's on your own or with your team. Answer some of the questions such as what kind of work do you do? And finally, on the next page, you can go ahead and copy your invite link and share it to your friends or teams that you want to invite. Follow through the instructions, and after a couple of seconds, you will then be able to get started with Notion. Once you complete the setup, you'll be taken to your Notion's workspace where you can start creating notes, databases, or anything else you need all in one place. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Notion on your mobile device. Now you're ready to organize your thoughts, tasks, and projects from anywhere. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.